Afinitor everolimus causes side effects and treatment insights. Afinitor, the brand name for everolimus, is a prescription medication belonging to a class of drug known as mTOR inhibitors. It is primarily used to treat various types of cancer as well as certain non-cancerous conditions. By targeting specific pathways involved in cell growth and proliferation, Afinitor helps slow down or stop the spread of cancer cells. This article will provide a detailed overview of Afinitor's uses, benefits, side effects, and essential treatment insights. Uses of Afinitor. Afinitor is used to treat a range of medical conditions, particularly cancer. Some of the key conditions it treats include 1. Breast cancer. Afinitor is prescribed alongside hormone therapy to treat advanced hormone receptor positive HER2 negative breast cancer, particularly in postmenopausal women. 2. Kidney cancer. Renal cell carcinoma. Afinitor is often used in patients who have advanced kidney cancer, especially after treatment with other therapies like sunitinib or sorafenib has failed. 3. Pancreatic neuroendocrine tumors EP. Afinitor is effective in treating advanced neuroendocrine tumors that have spread or cannot be surgically removed. 4. Tuberous sclerosis complex. A TSC arthritic disorder causes benign tumors in the brain and other organs. Afinitor is used to treat certain brain and kidney tumors associated with TSC. Advanced lung cancer. Afinitor is also prescribed for the treatment of non-small cell lung cancer that has spread after other treatments have failed. Benefits of Afinitor. 1. Inhibits cancer cell growth. Afinitor works by inhibiting the mammalian target of rapamycin protein, which is responsible for cell growth and division. By blocking this pathway, Afinitor can slow down the growth of cancer cells and shrink tumors, especially in hormone-driven cancers and other malignancies. 2. Slows disease progression. In clinical trials, Afinitor has been shown to slow the progression of diseases like breast cancer, kidney cancer, and pancreatic neuroendocrine tumors. This helps patients gain more control over their condition and maintain a better quality of life. 3. Target therapy. As a targeted therapy, Afinitor specifically affects cancer cells, leaving healthy cells less affected. This leads to fewer side effects compared to traditional chemotherapy. 4. Non-chemotherapy option for some cancers. Afinitor provides an alternative treatment option to chemotherapy. Its use in combination with hormone therapies allows patients to avoid the more aggressive side effects associated with chemotherapy. Side effects of Afinitor. While Afinitor provides significant benefits in treating cancer and other conditions, it is also associated with potential side effects. Some common side effects include 1. Mouth sores. Ulcers or sores in the mouth, stomatitis, are one of the most frequent side effects of Afinitor. Patients are advised to use non-alcoholic mouthwash and maintain good oral hygiene to manage this symptom. 2. Fatigue. Feeling tired or weak is another common side effect of Afinitor, often requiring patients to adjust their daily activities to conserve energy. 3. Digestive issues, including diarrhea, can occur during treatment with Afinitor. 4. Increased risk of infections. Afinitor can weaken the immune system, making patients more vulnerable to infections. It's important to notify healthcare providers of any signs of infection, such as fever or persistent cough. 5. Skin rash. Skin-related side effects such as rash or acne-like symptoms are common and can typically be managed with topical treatments or dose adjustments. 6. Elevated blood sugar and cholesterol levels. Afinitor may increase blood sugar and cholesterol levels, so regular monitoring and possible medications to control these changes are often required. Treatment insights. Before starting Afinitor, it's essential to discuss your medical history and potential risks with a healthcare provider. Some key considerations include monitoring regular blood tests are necessary to check liver and kidney function, as well as to monitor blood sugar and cholesterol levels while on Afinitor. Drug interactions. Afinitor may interact with other medications, including over-the-counter drugs and herbal supplements. It's vital to provide your healthcare provider with a complete list of medications to avoid harmful interactions. A pregnancy and breastfeeding. Afinitor is not recommended for use during pregnancy or breastfeeding, as it may harm the fetus or baby. Conclusion: Afinitor everolimus is a powerful mTOR inhibitor that offers a targeted treatment approach for various cancers, including breast cancer, kidney cancer, and neuroendocrine tumors. Its benefits include slowing cancer progression and providing an alternative to chemotherapy for some patients. However, Afinitor does come with potential side effects such as mouth sores, fatigue, and increased infection risk, making regular monitoring and open communication with healthcare providers essential for successful treatment. Don't forget to subscribe to the Balanced Medicine channel, like the video, share it, and leave your opinion in the comments section.